Bulgaria's President Rumen Radev announced on Monday he is stepping down from his post, a decision signaling the launch of a bid for prime minister ahead of a snap parliamentary election. Under the constitution, the current vice president, Iliana Iotova, must be sworn in by parliament to take the post until the end of the presidential mandate. Radev's resignation is the first by a head of state in Bulgaria's post-communist history and comes as the country struggles to overcome a prolonged political crisis.
Отговорът е в порочният управленски модел. Той има външните признаци на демокрацията, но всъщност функционира по механизмите на олигархията. Българската политика се случва извън институциите. Кукловодите не се свенят пред камерите да спускат директиви на Народното събрание.
Radev has indicated he may take part in new elections, planned after large anti-corruption protests last month forced the resignation of the governing center-right coalition. The left-leaning president was an opponent of the government and threw his support to the protests in early December. While Radev did not reveal his plans, the public expectation is that he will form a new political party.